Uh, my name is Min Dan. I'm from Habitat Myanmar. I'm working as a project manager for southeast of Myanmar. Although I'm just 3 months in the Habitats, I feel I'm very familiar to the Habitats now. And I'm now here for attending the workshop on gender in the context of ethnic diversity. The workshop is 5 days, and I learned a lot from the workshop because I have experience and discussed with my different colleagues from different countries. Here Laos also, they have ethnic diversity, and in Myanmar also we have many ethnic groups, and we also have conflict, especially armed conflict, and many gender issues on on ethnic diversity also. So I have learned a lot from my different colleagues here, and also especially project related to riverbed, the agricultural project from Nepal. So now the project I have is in the southeast of Myanmar, and many sandy riverbed land. So I think I can apply much on this area. So this is very useful and beneficial to me. So I'm happy to join the workshop here. Thank you very much.